What you do at night is going to completely impact what you're able to do in the morning or the next day and how well you preserve moisture in your hair. Hi, I'm Carla Marcelle and I'm a Mizani artist. One of the things that I love talking about is nighttime hair care routines. For textured hair, wavy, curly, coily hair, this is key. One thing to think about when talking or just kind of assessing your own hair is porosity. Porosity is your hair's ability to retain moisture. If you have high porosity, you find it very hard to keep moisture in your hair. If you have medium porosity, you might have some struggles here and there, but nonetheless, you're able to retain an appropriate amount of moisture in your hair. If you have low porosity, what that ultimately means is that you have a hard time even getting moisture into your hair. The first product that I love using is Mizani's 25 Miracle Nourishing Oil. This is super lightweight. It's got all the oils that I love: sunflower seed oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil. So it's going to be really lightweight on your hand. What I love about it is that, again, it's lightweight. It's not going to leave any residue on my clothes, but I want to apply it starting at the ends. When you're thinking about textured hair, I mean, I'm wearing extensions, so it kind of applies the same way. Curly, coily, and wavy hair, because of the shape of the hair strand, natural oils from your scalp don't get down to the end. So the benefits that your scalp may have of your natural oils is not the same benefit that the ends will receive, which is why we apply at the ends first and work our way all the way up. And you can already see how it's kind of calmed some of the frizz that I have in there. You can already see the luster that has been restored in it. And so for me, I will just retwist my hair or rebraid it into different twists or braids for the morning. And so when I wake up, I get this natural little kind of wave. You can also use Mizani's coconut souffle. What's really, really cool about coconut souffle is that it has camelina oil in it. Camelina oil is amazing because of the fact that it protects the hair from free radicals, hydrates it, and it leaves it incredibly soft. So I'm gonna apply it the same way, starting at my ends and working all the way up. Now, I love retwisting hair with this because of the weight of it. I know that I'm getting constant hydration impact or moisturizing impact all night long. And again, you can see where it kind of has calmed down, but you can actually see the difference of weight in the product. So this is going to be a little heavier in consistency on my hair versus lightweight, but nonetheless, tons of shine and incredibly soft hair. I'm gonna use my curl friend here. So when it comes to wearing your naturally activated curls, it's really important, again, to nourish the ends. I'm gonna layer the products a little bit for her. Again, starting off with 25 Miracle Nourishing Oil, putting just a couple of pumps in my hair and starting at her ends. I'm starting at her ends because remember, this is where she's gonna be the driest, and working my way all the way up. When you apply the product, palming and kind of clumping the hair together will help you preserve the curls you've already worked on. I'm now gonna follow up with coconut souffle, and I'm just gonna use just a little dab will do ya. So again, I'm layering on top of this because I just wanna make sure that I am really locking that oil. Starting at her ends, working all the way up. And you can already see, again, where we have really addressed the frizz and maintain the integrity of the structure we've created when we did our wash and go in the first place. So now it's time to go to bed. So I'm going to use a pineapple method on her, and I'm going to draw all of her hair on the top of her head where it creates a little pineapple sprout. When you pineapple the hair, you can do it a couple of ways. You can use a little scrunchie, you can pin it up depending on your length, or you can do multiple. It just depends on your length, what you're looking for, and maybe your density. Pineappling the hair is going to preserve all the curls in the interior and give a light little stretch, a gentle stretch throughout the night. After your pineapple, you have a couple of options that you could do. You're gonna take your satin or silk scarf. Mine is like a little tattered. It's old, y'all. And just wrap around the hairline as to preserve and protect the hairline, but also give you a little reinforcement while you sleep. Just simply tie it around, position it so that you're comfortable, and that's it. Another option that you have is to use a wrap called a perfect pineapple. You can kind of leave it open and exposed. I like to go ahead and cover that as to protect it, but nonetheless, it creates that pineapple structure that does the same thing. It protects and preserves the curls on the interior of the hair, as well as giving you that gentle stretch. It also protects the hairline and keeps everything in place for you. One of the other things that I find really helpful when I sleep is investing into a silk pillowcase. This is great for helping you keep the moisture that you've worked so hard to retain, and it also reduces the friction that happens between your hair and cotton, so it prevents breakage altogether. I hope that these tricks and tips were helpful for you. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to Hair.com and follow me at by Carla Marcelle. Catch you later.